So in last four sessions, we had some end-to-end overview on P2P cycle. So we discussed with seeded predefined configuration. That high level we discussed actually, and also I prepared some detailed flow chart. Very simple, right? Just had a discussion. Mm, yeah, this. But so saved whiteboards. Yeah. So this one, right? This one. See here also purchase requisition and uh, creating purchase order, creating receipt, create account payables, payable invoice and payments. Then later journals we created, right? Journals creation. Journals creation. Then later post primary lecture. So same. Here, but this flowchart is detail level flowchart. So requester will create the purchase requisition, and this can be manual creation or input from external systems and also internal systems. Then after entering all the details, we'll submit for approvals. Then if required, we can go for negotiation system. After completing, after award completion, then we'll create PO, but we tested directly against this PR to PO. So this PO also you can create manual and automatic. But what are the source to create PO automatic? Against blanket purchase agreement, contract purchase agreement, and also procurement contracts and consignment agreement. So system will auto generate PO. And here also against negotiation documents also system will generate PO. So then, but our earlier discussion, last discussion, I was showing you creating direct receipt against purchase order. But if implemented supplier portal, supplier create either ASN or ASBN. So against these two documents also, receiving people create a receipt and receive the goods into organization. After receiving, yes, we'll generate the AP invoice. Then we'll make the payment. Yes, as usually we can generate the journals and post the journal vouchers to PL. But if any damages or some different goods received, so our inventory people, receiving people may return to supplier. Against this returns in payables will create the debit memo. Supplier will refund the amount. right? Whatever receiving goods, either they may receive to location. If items or products or expense items or fixed asset items, this they will receive where office located. If items are inventory items, they receive into inventory and they will maintain the stock in sub inventory. So and also in between, I shown you some bank reconciliation also. Okay. That's okay. And here and here I listed setups and important interview questions also. What are the receipt routings, accounting entries for inventory item, accounting entries for expense items, and what type of reports, what are the matching levels, and also given some explanation here. What are the job roles for procurement module? See, procurement preparer, procurement requester, advanced procurement requester, procurement manager, and here data conversion. What are the data input objects involved, and what are the types of approval hierarchy? See, only this slide. Uh, Almost 80% questions, 80% questions you can answer it. Okay, please be wait. I'm getting call from office. Okay. So, what I'm trying to tell, see, if you thorough with this slide, you can almost answer for 70%, 80% questions in interview. Okay, procurement point of maximum questions you can get it from this slide only. Yeah, let's start our own configuration. So creating our own user and assigning job roles and configuration, everything. Okay. And before that, once again, I will list the enterprise hierarchy, enterprise structure.
Ravi, one doubt here, Ravi.
Uh,
What is this here? Contract to PO it is going, right? What is that? Can you just tell me?
it is procurement contracts.
Oh, okay. And what is this one? CONAG. What is this? Next to the contract, it is there, no? Right, sir.
Consignment agreement.
Okay. Consignment agreement. Okay, okay, okay.
It is small place, right? So I given just in
Yeah, yeah,
names. Okay.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
So, you know, right, the enterprise structure, it's organization structure. So first every module, this is important actually. Modules will, applications will maintain at different levels, right? Enterprise structure level. So top level is enterprise structure, enterprise. Next, primary ledger. Next, legal entity, business unit, inventory, sub-inventory,
Ravi,
and
it's sharing something, Ravi. I'm able to see just only the PPT.
oh, it's not refreshed.
No.
I'm sharing Zoom slides.
But I could see only the PPT. How about the others? I'm not sure.
The same. We are saying the same, the old screen, not the new one.
Okay. I'll just stop and again say. Okay, now I stopped. Sharing the screen. Can you confirm me now?
Yeah, same PPT.
Same PPT, Ravi.
Same PPT. So now I opened PPT, procure to pay this one. Now I've opened Zoom template tab.
But still, I could see only the PPT.
What is the problem? No?
No. Now I can see desktop.
Desktop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now?
Still desktop, Ravi.
Mm, Now I stopped screen sharing. Now I stopped, right? It is showing blank,
Yeah,
right?
I see. Yeah. I see only the Zoom.
Now again I'm sharing.
Okay, now I could see the desktop.
Desktop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Also, right. It is not refreshing. Still, I think people are seeing the desktop only.
Yes, Ravi. Maybe you need to close that PPT and reopen it, I think.
Other screens. Just now able to see. That's okay. I think only problem with the Zoom page. So once I open this, immediately you are able to see, right?
Yeah, Ravi. PPT I can see now.
Now I open this Mega.
Yeah, right. Mega I can see.
Only problem with only Zoom slides. Okay. No problem. Let me log in with application. So again, this is the new means it's a refreshed one. Okay, 80 is it? This is the password. So I log in with one seeded user for time being. Then I'll create my own user with this help of user. Sign in. Okay, create new user quickly. Go to home. And go to tools, uh, security console. So here we'll create a new user, right? Our own users we can create. And click on this users, add user account. So some name, LT Ravi, and other details you can mention, mail, phone number optionally, then username. System will suggest you. If you want, you can update, otherwise it's okay. So add role. Similarly, I will assign IT security manager. So this role access, why I'm assigning to user. So system will give the access for security console. In future himself, he can create new users, update existed users, assign new roles, delete assigned roles, all this. And also I am assigning another job role, application implementation consultant, this one, application implementation consultant. Select add role members. Then I'll set the password. Select save and close. So I created my own user. Using this user, I'll start configuration in procurement, and then later we'll test the end-to-end scenario, end-to-end cycle. So my user, LT dot Ravi, and enter password. Yes, I'm able to access with my own user. And also verify access for this user. Go to home. And so on Springboard, so go to tools and security console. So how does security console access available here? I was assigned IT security manager. And also I need to check setup and maintenance. So go to user actions. Here you will find setup and maintenance. So how this setup and maintenance available here, I was assigned application implementation consultant. Here we can find the offerings list. So here now we are talking about procurement. So here I'll start configuring the setups. But here also we need to define at least our own business unit and master organization, inventory organization, and sub-inventory is required. Okay, those we should create quickly. Then let's start defining other configuration specific to procurement model. Again, in the procurement, as we discussed, okay, what are the different modules are there? Self-service procurement, purchasing. Actually, PO means it's a purchase order, but PO it's a short name for purchasing. Okay, I'll write it. Purchasing module, and what is that? Sourcing, supplier portal, and procurement contracts. Also, we can say enterprise contracts. See, procurement contracts means it's specific to procurement process, right? I will have a contract with my supplier. So supplier also, a supplier is one of the party. Organization will have some contracts with supplier. So we can say it is procurement contracts. But enterprise contracts means enterprise will have a contracts with whom party can be supplier, party can be customer, also employee. So enterprise contracts, all three together. So we maintain in enterprise contracts. Procurement contracts means it's a procurement contract only, okay, with the supplier. And there is another one, supplier qualification management. So first we'll start setups in self-service procurement, then purchasing, then supplier portal, then sourcing, procurement contracts, SQM. So one by one we'll discuss first, but some common setups, major setups needs to be defined. So what are those? Just now I was listed, but it was not visible. Enterprise, top level. Next, primary ledger, legal entity, business unit, item master organization, inventory, sub-inventory, locator. So this is the mandatory structure, organization structure. Okay. But I'm not going to define above three. Those we can use seeded, predefined configuration. But we need to at least start defining from business unit. Okay. So what is the business unit? It's a from here only we operate the business operations, business activities, business transactions. What are those? Purchase orders, sales orders, payable invoices, receivable invoices, etc. So and so, and CRM related activities, projects related activities. Under that only we'll maintain warehouses, plants, inventories. Under that we'll maintain again is sub inventories. Okay. Let's start define quickly defining business unit. So choose this offering from the offerings list, procurement, and click on this organization structure. And here you can choose create business unit. But before that, we need to define location, right? Where our office business unit located. So here click on this functional area enterprise profile and click on this manage locations. And create new. Yeah, time being continue with reference set, location set with common set. So later we can sorry. So name, I'll start with my all configuration with LT. So Hyderabad location, or I'll write like this LT South BU location. Code if you want maintaining something different, otherwise it's okay. Man is same, not a problem. And here select country, India. You can also from this drop down down arrow, you can select and search country name. So then later this style will be changed. Combination. Okay, what is the line to? Why this is coming? I will remove this. And copy. That's okay. Line 1. Something I given here. House number Okay, it's located in KPHP, Hyderabad, 5,90,000. So you can fill all details where your business unit located, and other contact details also you can fill it, but those are not mandatory. So here whatever fields has this asterisk sign, so those are mandatory. So others are not mandatory. You can fill it based on your. And here purpose using this SIP2 site and receiving also will prepare the bills, nothing but invoices. We can select the details, receiving goods to this location, shipping goods from this location. So that is the meaning actually. You can enter same, and other details not required now. We can use this location for business unit. Just select save. Save it. And submit. So request will be submitted. Yes, I want to continue. Okay. Select that. Now location created, then create business unit. Go to organization structure, here functional area, and here you will find manage business unit. Select new, create. LT underscore South BU. And who is the manager in this office? You can find from the list. So this is the employees list actually. How from where these employees are coming? From the HCM, Human Capital Management. So you can optionally select who is the manager in this office. And location, whatever just now I created LT. You can search like this. Search. LT South BU location. And default reference set, also I'll use here common. Then save and close. Business unit created now. But above levels, above BU, what are the legal entity, primary ledger defined? We need to associate with this business unit. But I haven't defined any primary ledger legal entity. I can use a predefined combination. So then next setup, assign business unit, business functions. And here required task, all task. When you select all task, you will find more list. Some big list we can find it. So click on this, assign business unit, business function. And select and add, apply and go to task. So find your business unit, LT, then click on this search. Just place the cursor here, select like this. Don't click on this hyperlink, okay? Somewhere select here or here, okay? Select save it, close. Now see, business unit is what? Operating business functions, business operations, business activities. So that is called business unit, right? So the business functions. So what type of business functions, business operations, business activities perform at this business unit level? So here we will find list of the business functions. So simply you no need to enable the checkboxes. What exactly, what kind of operations, activities, functions perform, those only can enable it. So based on this, my flowchart slide, I wanted to create purchase requisition. Also, I wanted to perform negotiations, purchase orders, receipts, payable invoices, payments, at least this many I wanted to perform at this business unit level. So you just see here list of the business functions. When system it will allow you creating purchase requisition. Which one should enable? I should enable this one, right? Requisitioning. So then only system it will allow creating requisitions at this business unit level. So next what? If I want to perform negotiations, any negotiation specific to negotiations. So anything is there here? Material management, payable invoicing, procurement contracts, project. So it's not available. So then what? Next what? After negotiations, I wanted to create purchase order. So here enable procurement. Also, I will implement or I will manage the procurement contracts. Enable this one. So whatever I placed orders against contracts or agreements or manual creation, system should allow maintaining stock, creating material transactions, enable the checkbox. So after that, if you want to receive that stock into location inventory, enable this checkbox. For received goods, payable invoice I wanted to create. Against this payable invoice, I wanted to make the payment. See now, then only I can perform in this business unit procure to pay cycle, complete whatever we discussed, shown, demonstrated last week. Any questions here? So remaining, I'm not going to enable. Why? Because those checkboxes enough test the procurement module and inventory also. Yeah. So this under this business unit, against the purchasing transactions. So definitely every country will calculate the taxes and all, right? In India, we follow the GST. So this tax structure and all will maintain at legal entity level. So this legal entity anyway I haven't defined, but I can use this predefined entity. Under this, against this tax structure and receiving transactions, material transactions. So we'll maintain the cost accounting, receipt accounting, and payable accounting entries, payments accounting entries. So those entries maintain under which primary ledger, in which currency. So this setup will decide. So here I am selecting India primary ledger. Right, this one, legal entity, India legal entity. So already this configuration is existed. this will maintain financial team, financial consultant. Okay. So then select button, save. Save and close. So business unit, business functions are completed, created now. So next what? Business unit set assignment. You just open this. Yeah, tell me. Okay. So here by default for all the objects common updated. Why? Because when I was created business unit there, I was selected default set as common. So you just continue with common, no problem. Whenever it is required, I'm back to the screen and update my own reference set. So now business unit is ready. Under this business unit, now I wanted to create purchase requisition. When system allow you create purchase requisition, so this access, creating transactions, performing business activities, anything, application access, that depends, assigning job roles, right? So now I'll assign what are the job roles required. So to perform this, creating this purchase requisition. So here only I just listed job roles: procurement preparer, procurement requester, advanced procurement requester. So there are three available. If assign advanced procurement requester, this one job role equal to these two job roles. Okay. So yeah, so if I want to give the limit access, I will only assign for one user procurement preparer, for one other user procurement requester. Okay, now I'll assign directly advanced procurement requester. So then that user will have a full access for self-service procurement. So the purchase requisition create in which module? Self-service procurement. Okay. So let me assign this advanced procurement requester role to my user. So where you will assign the role? Generally, in real time, this user will request to the admin person assign some so and so job role. But here myself I can assign. Why? Because I was already assigned IT security manager, and my user having access security console. So this is the tool, right? Click on this security console. So find your user. What is the username? lt.ravi. Select search. Click on this user. Click on edit. Add role. What is the role name? I just was shown you three roles: procurement requester, procurement preparer, advanced procurement requester. Yes, that depends which role assigning to which user. That depends. Business requirement will decide it. But here I will assign advanced procurement requester. Now select add role membership. Select done. Save and close. Done. Now what I am expecting, go to home. On the springboard, right? Here I wanted to see work area. There somewhere it should be procurement work area. So these are all work areas, right? Order management, supply chain planning, fixed assets. So this many are there, but procurement work area is not appearing. So I'll do one thing. I'll just sign out and sign in. User is not case sensitive, only passwords. Case sensitive and special character. Okay, again, let verify. So still it is not showing procurement work area. Service, product management, contract management, receivables. So here also not available. Wait some time. Again, I'll relog in. It will come. Maybe sometimes it will take time. So same on Springboard, how this will appear from the navigator. Also, you can find the same sales redwood, and you can expand like this. See, here also it will appear. Okay. Create or create other setups. Okay. Let me check one more time. So parallelly, I will configure other setups also. Task. Select sign in. So still it is not showing. Okay. And maybe it will take some time. It will appear. So we need more setups actually, not only this one setup from this P2P. Now I just given only identifying the what that work area. So now first let complete creating employee. So this user must be a employee. Then only system it will allow creating purchase requisition. So generally employees creation and all in real time will maintain managed by human capital management team. But here ourselves we can create. So under procurement, there is the users and security. Click on this manage users. Create. Here also I'll give the same name, employee name also same like username. So email ID is mandatory. And other details you can fill it here, contact details. User, I don't want to create new user, already created, right, in security console. So that is the reason link user account here. lt.ravi and select search. Select OK. Now this user act as an employee. Till now is the just user, is not employee. Now this user will act as an employee. Why? Because I given employee personal details. And I don't want to send any password to my mail ID. Already I know my user credentials. And person type here, selecting employee. And this employee recruited in which legal entity? India legal entity. And also which business unit? I just was defined my business unit. And filling other details. What is this employee role, job grade, in which department, this location, who is the manager. So all the details you can fill it. So then later select save and close. So employee also I defined, user defined as employee. Then only system it will allow creating requisition. Only just user defined, he cannot create purchase requisition. Okay, it is completed, right? So and also let me verify one more time whether this updated. Select sign. See now, just took time. It is there, procurement. Under this, some apps also added, requisitions, my receipts. This is new, both are same only. So one is older version, another one is newer version. When you click on this, just try to click. Anyway, not yet completed the configuration. Let's see what will face the issue. Accordingly, we'll fix that and we'll move in testing the P2P cycle, procure-to-pay cycle. So review and update requisition preferences. So every user. So for initially first time logging or trying to create a purchase requisition, he must update some preferences for default purpose. Click on this update preferences. So here business unit, so and so it is available. Here I am the requester, and delivery to location. Generally, stock will deliver to location, right? That location can be business unit location or some other location, inventory location, sub-inventory location, plant location, anything. This is for just defaulting purpose actually. But later, while creating purchase requisition, you can update receiving in which location, in which location you want to receive, or against which location you want to create purchase requisition. That we can update later. So now here I'll just time being, I'll select the my location. I just was created LT underscore. This is my location, but actually this is the BU location. It's not inventory location. Just for time being, I'm assigning. Later I will update it. So here you will find two types of destination. So that is what I told you, right? This stock, we can create the goods receipt that either receive to location or receive to inventory. Inventory also it will locate in one particular location. But receiving in the receipt only mention location without inventory details. So that means receiving expense items, internally consumable items and fixed asset items. But entering in the receipt form page, inventory details and location details, that is the inventory stockable item. Okay, that I will store in the sub inventory. That is the difference between so this destination type expense or inventory. I'll also select inventory, and here if any this location associated to particular inventory, under that inventory any sub inventories created, those will be listed here. But till now I haven't created any inventory under this business unit. So this location is not associated with any inventory. So that is the reason this drop down list of the sub inventories blank, null. And project also. Here there is the another module PPM, project portfolio management. Right. Say suppose in IT organization will maintain the projects, right? Based on that client. So one client also will have a different projects. Each project will name defined in the project management module. Yes, not only in IT, manufacturing company. So manufacturing some luxury cars based on customer specification only, I will manufacture it. I will not maintain any standard feature or standard design. They can choose it, this required. So for that I will define as one project. And also construction companies, building they constructs, and yes, roads they will construct, bridge they will construct. So each work they will define as a one project. So once they implemented, if that organization is such kind of organization, they will implement the what projects. Okay, that you can, for default purpose, you can select it. And also the charge account. It is mandatory actually. Here I cannot find any here. Yeah, see, some accounts are there. I can choose how this accounts list is coming. I was assigned primary ledger to my business unit. So because of that, so this list is coming. Okay. So you can also choose different instead of this. Yeah, so you can choose your own actually company 101 and the line of business 10. So actually I'm using India, right? So when I use India, it's not 101, some different value actually. Let me check. Mexico, Australia, France, Ireland, so I think India, 401. So then line of business. Also you can use different line of business. I use something 90 account. Search by inventory valuation account. So this and all immediately quickly cannot understand. So definitely it will take time. Okay, here I'll select no all dummy values I'm selecting. Okay, no matches found with this combination. 401. By default 101 only it is coming. Why it is not coming? Maybe there is the SLA setup, because of that it is coming. So you can select combination like this for the charge account. So why the charge account is required, then we will discuss later. So in this way, preferences, first we need to user himself, he will update. Okay. Say still requisitioning business unit can't be used because the required requisitioning. Yeah. So still even this preferences also it is not allowing. First we need to complete this requisitioning configuration. So then only system it will allow complete this preferences. Okay. So actually I start updating the preferences, but I'm not able to complete preference. Reason is, before that, prior to update the preferences, first we need to complete the requisitioning configuration. Let's see, I'll go to there and where it is here this place. See, configure requisitioning business functions. When I open this, when I click on this, here I'll enter my business unit LT South BU. Okay. So here deliver to organization, default deliver to organization. But till now, I haven't created any inventory organization under this business unit. So then I can complete this. So if I want to update the preference, first I need to complete this setup. If I want to complete this setup, first I complete inventory structure. Then only I can complete and I can able to open requisition. Okay. So this we'll see in tomorrow's session. Today here I'll stop the discussion. So any questions? Okay, thank you. Bye.